So what is up, crypto community? Welcome back to the Cryptoverse channel. Today we have a very interesting video about Quant, and we are going to talk about why I am going to sell my Bitcoin to buy and accumulate more Quant. Before we get into the video, guys, I have to mention that nothing in this video is financial advice, so please do your own research before investing in the market. And if you're new to the Cryptoverse channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss any further updates on your favorite crypto. So let's get started. Firstly, we'll look at crypto bubbles, and as you can see, guys, the market is pretty much green today. Pulse is back 22.5% up after its downfall in the past few days. As you can see, Kaspa is also up 3.6%, as well as Dogecoin. But that's good. It means that the market is coming back to these green prices. It's going back on its feet, which we do like. What about Quant is actually down by 0.7%, so it's $102.67 on $102.7 right now. In the last 7 days it's been down 1.17%, and in the last month 5.9% down. It's still continuing its bullish behavior. The price is still going down. Yeah, I think it will go down to like 100, and then Quant will still move between 100 and 110 until the bull will happen, which is, as you can see, guys, a very bullish behavior, moving between 100 and 110, and then as you know, it blew out to 114 a few days ago, actually, like 4 days ago. But we'll see how it goes in the future. Its current market cap is 1.23 or 1.4 billion, and it's still, the circulating supply is 81.13% of the total supply. So what I want to talk to you guys about is that I'll be acquiring more Quant on this price around $100, because I think it's looking pretty bullish right now. And one of the things, one of the reasons why I think the project is becoming very popular, and I think it will drive its price up by a big margin. It's basically a sleeping giant, maybe the potential next Bitcoin, and that's why I'm saying that I will be probably selling some of my Bitcoin to buy more Quant, because I really believe in this project. Maybe it's risky, maybe it's not, but it's just my decision for now. Let's look at one of the reasons. It's this tweet, which we will look at a video about how by 2030 the blockchain will have billions of users and trillions of dollars running through its veins. As Construction Trader says, Quant Network Overledger will play a massive role in helping finance to become fully interoperable. As we talked about in this video, like everyone will have Quant by 2030, because it's a very future-proof project. It introduces interoperability, tokenization, and of course with the Overledger platform and everything. So let's look at the video.
Yeah, it's a really good question, and very timely for us at Citi, in the department that I work in, Citi Global Insights, because we just published a big report on tokenization and blockchain. It's titled Money, Tokens, and Games, Blockchain's Next Billion Users and Trillions in Value. Now, like you said, the potential for tokenization via blockchain, it has been talked about quite a lot in the past, and we think blockchain is quite different to other types of disruptive technology, because it enters the sphere of money and value, and it enables us to transfer money. Now, we're not at the point of mass adoption, because to be powered to mass adoption, it needs certain things. It needs the support of...
So now she's explaining what it needs to be for mass adoption. But as you can see, she's talking about tokenization, interoperability, entering a big financial markets. As we talked in previous videos, $1 trillion market, basically everything that you see around you, every type of material possessions like cars, houses, and everything that can be tokenized, and Quant and the Overledger platform is doing that.
Of big ecosystem players, as well as their involvement. So sovereign institutions, big financial institutions, big corporations, etc. And it needs collaboration amongst different participants, standardizations of platforms, interoperability, and compatibility with existing technology and software. So it's going to take some time. And blockchain is not going to have a, Chat GPT moment. it's a different type of technology. It's a back-end infrastructure technology. It doesn't have that prominent user interface, which makes it more difficult to see and feel how it is innovative.
Yeah, so basically she says that we'll have to wait for to see what Quant will actually do, because it's not, as you mentioned, like ChatGPT. It will not blow out in like just a few days or a month. It's actually a slow and steady process, which will happen in the back end. So by 2030, I think that prices Quant is gonna be maybe the biggest giant on this platform, or in the blockchain platform, or from all the cryptos, maybe even bigger than Bitcoin. And that's a few of the reasons why I will sell my Bitcoin to buy more Quant. And then in the end, or now we're gonna look at a tweet from Quanfiman. And he says that even more bombs are being dropped by Quant and price stays the same. Accumulate as much now, soon it will be hard to buy 10 Quant each. Like Quant to the moon, basically. Um, as they say, Quant bomb alert. Overledger will add real value for an interoperable CBDC. With Guardians past HM Treasury and Head of Technology BOE openly discussing Overledger, we knew keep gambling on food animal coins while Quant transforms the financial industry. So Quant is actually, and it's really transforming the financial industries with the tokenization, interoperability. Basically, it's a whole new financial system, better, faster, easier to manage, and it's definitely very future proof. I'm very excited about this news. If you want to look at more tweets from this kind of people, you can follow Quanfiman or Construction Trader, and of course you can check Quant's Twitter to look or to be updated about Quant news. But we've reached the end of the video. Again, I have to mention that nothing in this video was financial advice, so please make sure to do your own research before investing in a market. And if you're new to the Cryptoverse channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you not miss any further updates on your favorite crypto. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.